You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed midsize pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine. Dare to enjoy the freedom you crave in this no-excuses Commander. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.